Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a forever young wig. This one is called Beauty Addiction, and it's part of their flaunt line, which is generally marketed towards African American ladies, ladies of color. But just like with any other wig, it can be worn by anybody, no matter what your skin tone. You know, just like the John Renault wigs, even though they're marketed towards, white ladies, can basically be worn by anybody. It just depends on your budget, what you're looking for, and if they offer styles and colors you like. So I really like this wig. I think it's really gorgeous, and I think the color is super fun. The color on this one is the one that's also shown in the manufacturer pics for this wig. It's 3T4/24B102. So, oh, that's a mouthful. Let me break it down for you a little bit. That 3T4 means that this is a 3-tiered color, so that's pretty obvious. So what this indicates is that these two tiers down here are a 4, which is a dark brown. And that this middle portion that comes after the slash and the name is that 24B102. 24 is a medium golden blonde, and in the Forever Young line, their medium golden blonde is gold. It has quite a bit of gold going on. And the 102 is a variant of a platinum. So it has a little bit of both throughout. So it is a 3-tiered color that is blonde, golden blonde in the middle with dark roots and a dark tip. It's a very cool color. These kind of 3-tier colors are really neat because they draw all the attention here. So if you've got anything down here that you're trying to, hide and avoid from people staring at too much, these colors, they all, even though, if you really analyze them, they almost look banded, they draw all the attention here. And it's done very tastefully, actually. Like, it fades into the gold, as you can see, and then it fades back into the brown. So it is not an abrupt gold, and then, so it isn't quite banded, because that would be an abrupt cutoff here. Very cool color, very cool wig. And these 3-tiered shades, by the way, they've got reds that are like this, that are red here and brown here. They've got, other variants of gold. So, and they've got like a buttery brown color that's like this. So, I mean, they've got a little bit for everybody if you're in the market for something really edgy and interesting and high fashion. So now that I've highlighted the color, let me talk about the cut a little bit. This has a very pretty fringe bang. I've actually got this pushed back a little bit further than it would normally sit because I wanted to show you what the bang looks like down. I'm not a huge fan of bangs. I especially hate bangs when they get into my eye. If I wear this wig where it's supposed to be worn, it might look kind of like cool and rock star, but I feel like Cousin It, I can't see. So I push it back just a smidge and then I don't have to cut the hair. So a little tip there. Pretty decent coverage on the sides. You can still see my wig cap popping through. So let me adjust that a little bit. Pushing that wig cap back. I do find the cap on this to be a little tight. But again, because it's got kind of a standard cap construction, it will stretch over time and be less annoying after a while. These bangs can also be swept off to the side, and that's how they're presented in both of the manufacturer pics for this wig. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay. So, very, very pretty wig. The overall length is 19 inches long. That doesn't really tell you anything specific about the wig though. So I've broken out my handy dandy tape measure to kind of give you some more specifics on how this wig presents. The bang starts in the middle of the top of the head and goes down by about 5.5 inches. Let me invert that so you can see. And these front layers here are 12 inches. The top to the sides (18.5 inches from crown to the bottom), and then the hair down here at the nape is 13 inches. So there's some more precise measurements for you for this wig. Very, very pretty. Let me go ahead and turn to the side so you can see what that looks like. You can see how it's got these kind of shorter layers in the front that are very nice and flattering. And then here is the back. It's quite long. And now that the sunlight's coming in a little bit more, you can see more of that really beautiful kind of buttery blonde color. Very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take Beauty Addiction off so you can see what the interior of the cap looks like. So right away you can see that this has a skin part. What that means is that there is a plastic disc, rubberized disc, right up in here, and that's what gives it the appearance of skin. Up close to the color, very cool, kind of fringy layered ends, very sexy little wig. So let me go ahead and put that back on after showing you what the cap looks like. And I'm just going to comb it with my fingers. It is poker straight, so it is pretty easy to manipulate even without a comb. There's that skin top in action. And there you go. This has been Beauty Addiction by Forever Young. Thanks for watching and have a great night. Bye-bye.